Bullseye?
Cowboy Crunchy, the only cereal that's sugar frosted and dipped in chocolate, proudly presents
Woody Roundup. Come on, it's time to play. There's Jesse the yodeling cowboy.
Look it, that's me!
Bullseye, he's Woody's horse. He's the smart. He's the old prospect. And the man himself, of course, it's time for Sheriff Woody. He's the very best. He's the meanest, sweetest cowboy in the Wild, Wild West. Woody's Roundup.
I can't find it. It doesn't seem to be on any of these stations.
Keep looking.
Oh, you're going too slow. Let me take the wheel.
It's too fast. How could you even tell what's on?
I can tell.
Go fast.
Too late, I'm in the 40s. Gotta go around the horn. It's faster.
Wait, stop.
I look for the giant chicken!
Now, Etch. That's where I need to go.
You can't go, Buzz. You'll never make it there.
Woody once risked his life to save me. I couldn't call myself his friend if I weren't willing to do the same. So who's with me?
I'm packing you an extra pair of shoes and your angry eyes, just in case. This is for Woody when you find him.
All right, but I don't think it'll mean the same coming for me.
Mr. Buzz Lightyear, you just gotta save my pal Woody.
I'll do my best, son.
Okay, fellas, let's roll. You'd think with all my video game experience, I'd be feeling more prepared. Oh!
We'll be back before Andy gets home.
Don't talk to any toy you don't know!
To L's Toy Barn and beyond.
They don't call this the old abandoned man for nothing, Prospector. I reckon we ought to get out of here.
Where's my gold? Hold on, I'll light me a candle. This sure is fast burning lit.
Blast us to smithereens! That there's dynamite!
Oh, the carnation!
I call for help! Hey, critters, go get Sheriff Woody! Let's go!
Good job, Bullseye. I reckon the new schoolhouse is finally done. What's that? Jesse and Prospector are trapped in the old abandoned mine, and Prospector just lit a stick of dynamite thinking it was a candle, and now they're about to be blown to smithereens? Ride like the wind, Bullseye! You're fanning the flames, Jesse. It takes brains to put out that fire. Yo, my biscuits are burning!
Will Woody and Bullseye land to safety? Can they reach Jesse and Stinky Pete in time? Tune in next week for the exciting conclusion, Woody's finest hour!
All right, next day. Hey, wait, what happened? What happens next? Come on, let's see the next episode.
That's it?
What?
The show was canceled after that.
Wait. What about the gold mine and the cute little critters and the dynamite? That was a great show. I mean, why cancel it?
2 words. Sputnik. Once the astronauts went up, children only wanted to play with space toys.
I know how that feels. Oh, hey, Bullseye, go long! Woo! I haven't seen one of these in ages. Okay, now, slow.
Oh, that's funny, Bullseye!
Hop on, cowgirl! Be fast! Not bad.
Look at us! We're a complete set!
Now it's on to the museum.
Museum? What museum?
The museum. We're being sold to the Kanishi Toy Museum in Tokyo.
That's in Japan!
Japan? No. I can't go to Japan.
What do you mean?
I gotta get back home to my owner, Andy. Look, see?
He still has an owner.
Oh, my goodness.
No, can't go. I can't do swords again. I just can't.
Jessie.
I won't go back in the dark.
What's the matter? What's wrong with her?
Well, we've been in storage for a long time, waiting for you.
Why me?
The museum's only interested in the collection if you're in it, Woody. Without you, we go back into storage. It's that simple.
It's not fair. How can you do this to us?
Hey, look, I'm sorry, but this is all a big mistake. You see, I was in this yard sale.
Yard sale? Why were you in a yard sale if you have an owner?
Well, I wasn't supposed to be there. I was trying to save another toy.
Was it because you're damaged? Did this Andy break you?
Yeah, but no. It was an accident. I mean...
Sounds like he really loves you.
It's not like that, okay? And I'm not going to any museum.
Well, I'm